Hola amigos! Hi my friends, my name is Miss Nieves. It's a pleasure seeing you today in my math class. I hope that your day is going well. I'm very happy that you're joining me. Today I have planned a very fun lesson. But before we start our lesson, let's review our expectations. Expectations. Sit in a nice, comfy place. Make sure that you are sitting in one spot. Have your materials in front of you. Listen carefully. We have reviewed our expectation, so let's get ready for our under the sea adventure. First, you will need a scuba suit because you're going to the deep sea. Yes, an imaginary scuba suit. Okay? I'm very excited that we're going under the sea. Then you will need counters. Counters can be any small object that can fit inside your tent frame or that you can count. For example, the jelly beans or dry beans. Anything small can help. Now, get your pencil and a piece of paper and follow me because we're going to create our tent frame. Watch the video carefully and I will give you a moment so you can draw your tent frame. Okay? Are you ready? Now, I will give you a moment so you can draw or create your tent frame. Okay? Before getting our scuba suit on, let's talk about our learning target. Our learning target is I can count and show how many more objects are needed to make 10. Now, let's get our scuba suit on. We have our suit on and our materials ready. Let's get ready and let's take a dive. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Look over there. Can you see some friends? They're coming this way. Look at my jumping seahorses friends. How many jumping seahorses do I have here? Count how many jumping seahorses I have. 4. Do you get 4? You are right. Now, I am wondering how many more seahorses do I need to make 10? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 jumping seahorses. I need to make 10. Let me use the tent frame to see how many more I need. I will fill the rest of my tent frame and stop when I fill all the 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count how many seahorses I added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I added 6 seahorses. That means that we need 6 more to make 10. Whoa, look at that school of gloomy fish. Coming this way. How many fish do you see? Yes, we see 6 gloomy fish. Now I'm wondering how many more fish do we need to make 10? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gloomy fish. And I need to make 10. Let's use the 10 frame to see how many we need. We will fill the rest of the 10 frame and stop once we fill all 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We added 4 more. We need 4 more to make 10. Great job! Whoa! Look at that school of happy fish. Coming this way. How many fish do you see? I counted 8 fish. Did you? If you counted 8, you did a great job. Now, you have to make 10. Remember that you can use the 10 frame to see how many more you need. If your 10 frame looks like this one, you are on the right path. Now, you need to make 10. Remember to use the 10 frame to see how many you need. You will fill the rest of the 10 frame and stop once you get to 10. If your 10 frame looks like this one, you are on the right path. Now that you completed your 10 frame, how many more do you add to get to 10? If your answer is 2, you are correct. That means that you need 2 more to make 10. Now, we are going to have an Under the Sea challenge. The Under the Sea challenge is, I will give you a 10 frame and you will tell me how many more you need to make 10. Let's start. Look at the 10 frame. What number shows the amount of counters needed to make 10? If your answer is 9, you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means that you needed 9 more to make 10. Look at the 10 frame. What number shows the amount of counters needed to make 10? If your answer is 0, you are correct. That means you don't need any more to fill the 10 frame. So the answer is 0. Look at the 10 frame. What number shows the amount of counters needed to make 10? If your answer is 4, you are correct. That means that you need 4 more to make 10. What an adventure! I hope that you had fun in our Under the Sea adventure. Remember that we have learned how many more objects are needed to make 10. See you soon. Bye.